So you want to paste a table from web page in your Google Sheets document. All you have to do is come back to your web page that you want to paste it from. Copy the URL and select the table that you want to paste. By selecting, just count the number of tables and select on which number your table lies. I want to copy this table, and this is the 5th table in this web page. So come back here, just press equals import HTML URL, quotation marks, paste the URL, comma, query, just put quotation marks, table table, query. The quotation mark ends, comma, index, just put 5th and end the bracket. You will get your table. Now I cannot make changes in this table. If I want to, you can just check. You just come in here, press copy, then paste special and go to value. And now you can make changes to this table.